Hi everyone, this is my fourth videos in tutorial in mathematics in grade 10. The content of this video is about the continuation about the topic in arithmetic sequence, particularly in arithmetic means. Arithmetic sequence, a sequence that has a common difference. So what if we don't have a common difference in the given sequence? So that is called the arithmetic means. So what is arithmetic means? Arithmetic means it is the terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence that is called an arithmetic means. We have here an example. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 25. Before we will proceed to the solutions that we are going to solve for the arithmetic means, it is important in this topic that we should have a representation. So what is a representation? This is a visualization of the arrangement of the given. Insert 4 arithmetic means, that means to say that we need to have 4 blanks in the middle between a sub 1 and a sub 6. Where did we get that value 6? That value 6 came from the end term 5 and 25 plus the 4 arithmetic means. So 6 arithmetic sequence in a representation. It is impossible for us to get the common difference if we have arithmetic means like this. We have a major problem here. How do we get the value of the common difference? Using the formula or the rule in arithmetic sequence, so our first term is 5, then the sixth term 25. Instead of writing a sub n, we are going to write it in a sub 6 because it is already in the last term. We need to find the common difference using the formula a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus d multiply to n minus 1. So a sub 6 equals a sub 1 plus d. We have 6 minus 1. So as you observe here, n becomes 6. The value of d is unknown, so we are going to solve for that. Using the basic method in transforming an equation, eliminate this by subtracting 5 both sides plus 5d, so that this will be eliminated. We have here 20 equals 5d. We are going to rewrite 5d is equals to 20. In this case, we are going to remove 5, divide both sides by 5, so we will have the common difference of 4. Okay, that's for the common difference. The problem that we have here is already solved, so we were able to determine the common difference in this particular arithmetic means. When you want to have a quick to determine the second term, third, fourth, and fifth, all you have to do is just add the common difference. So if we have first term here is 5, so what follows? It follows 5 plus 4 becomes 9. So that's for the second term. Plus 4, we have 13. Then we have added to 4 again. We have 17. Then we have the fifth term plus 4, we have 21. And we have the last term plus 4, 25. We have an arithmetic means 9, 13, 17, and 21 between 5 and 25. Now, if you want to check is it possible to use a formula for arithmetic sequence in finding the second term? Yes, let us apply the formula. So we are going to solve for the second term, this one. So therefore, a sub 2 equals to the first term becomes 5. So this one is referring to the formula that we are using. Added to the common difference of 4 multiplied to, we have the value of n2 minus 1. So a sub 2 equals to 5 plus 4 times 1. The value of the second term is 9. Meaning to say, kahit gagamitin mo yung formula in this particular checking, it is always correct. Let's try again for the third term. A sub 3 The first term is 5. The value of D is 4. Then the nth term, or that n, is 3 minus 1. So we have a sub 3 equals to 5 plus 8. So a sub 3 is 13. Fourth term, a sub 4 equals to 5, first term, plus the common difference 4, plus the n, 4 minus 1. We have a sub 4, 5, plus 4 multiplied to 3. So a sub 4 is 4 times 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17. A sub 5, first term 5, plus common difference 4. Value of n is 5 minus 1. A sub 5 equals to 5 plus 4 multiplied to 4. Finally, the fifth term, 4 by 4 is 16 plus 5 is 21. So therefore, our answer in this particular problem is correct. Second example is, what is the third term of the arithmetic sequence if the first and the fifth term is 11 and negative 9 respectively? So in this particular problem, the value of the common difference is unknown again. Then the sign could be negative, because as you have observed that from 11 going to negative 9, it is in descending order. You are expecting that the value of the common difference should be in negative. The value of D is unknown. So this is going to be our priority to solve the problem. But we have the given a sub 1 is equivalent to 11. And also, the fifth term is also determined. When you observe or when try to see the problem, we have the given fifth term. So the fifth term is equivalent to negative 9. We are going to show the representation for this. For the first term, we have the second term, unknown, third term, unknown, fourth term, unknown, then we have the fifth term. We are going to solve for the third term. Let's use the formula for a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus d multiplied to n minus 1. A sub n becomes a sub 5. The first term is 11. The common difference is unknown. We have n minus 1. A sub 5 equals to 11 plus 4. The a sub 5 is equivalent to negative 9. 11 plus 4d. We are going to eliminate or transform this equation for solving the value of d. We have to use the balancing of the equation. So subtracted to 11 both sides. So 11 minus 11 plus 4d. 11 here is eliminated or becomes 0. So the value of the left corner is equivalent to negative 20 equals to 4d. By simplification, we are going to divide both sides by 4. So we got here 4 by 4 eliminated becomes 1. The common difference is the quotient of 20 and 4. We have negative 5. As you remember that we expect a negative common difference. So we are now solving for a sub 3. Since our given is we already have the common difference, we also have the first term, substitute the value. Let us rewrite again the formula. It is very important to have a step-by-step procedure. A sub 3, we have the given a sub 1, 11. We already have the common difference of negative 5, and the value of n is 3 minus 1. So the third term is equivalent to 11. We have 3 minus 1 is 2 multiplied to 5, negative 10 here. Then we have a sub 3, 11 minus 10. So the value of third term or a sub 3 is definitely 1. Okay, let's check if that one is correct. The first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and the fifth term. First term is referring to the given 11. If 11 is added or subtracted to this number, 11 minus 5 becomes, we have 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So the third term is 1. Fourth term, 1 minus 5 is negative 4. The fifth term is equivalent to negative 4 minus 5, we have negative 9. This 11 and negative 9 is already in the given. Just remember, you have to follow the step-by-step solution, and you have to memorize or familiarize the rule that is being used in arithmetic sequence. I think that's all for today's video, and I hope you learn a lot from this video. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.